Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope that you'll give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. And for all my regular viewers, thank you so much for tuning in. I just wanted to come on real quickly and show you what I'm making for dinner, just in case you may be thinking of something that's quick and easy, but a good fall meal. Like if it's cold outside here, it's raining and cold, the temperature has dropped, and so we've been gone all day. My son had soccer and it was pouring down rain, and so we just need something good and hearty and warm on our stomach tonight for dinner. So I was thinking of what I could cook because I'm really tired and don't even feel like cooking, but I have to cook. So I decided I would make fettuccine alfredo. My kids love fettuccine alfredo. I boiled some noodles, you can see here in the bowl, but I decided that's probably not enough, so I put some more noodles in. So I'm waiting for those to get done. They've got about 5 more minutes, and then once they're done, I'll drain them, and I'm going to have chicken with the fettuccine and shrimp. So one kid will probably eat chicken. I know my son will eat chicken, and Sarah said she wanted to try the shrimp. Not sure how she'll like it. She's never tried it before, but anyways, I didn't have time to thaw out chicken or anything like that, so I picked these up at Aldi. These are really good. I use these whenever I don't have time to cook. These are already pre-cooked chickens, and I'm just going to warm it up in the skillet here with a little bit of olive oil and butter. And one is Southwestern style, so it's got a little bit of flavor, and then this is just original chicken. So I'm going to have that on top, and then I've got some garlic bread in the oven. And then I also picked up this pack of shrimp. It's already peeled, deveined, and the tail is off. So I am just going to saute this in the skillet with some butter. And let me go ahead and get my pan on and get it warm, and then we'll go ahead and get those started. And I'm just waiting on my noodles to get done boiling. So these are the noodles that I used. Just this fettuccine noodles, quick and easy. You just put them in get your water boiling, add you some salt, a little bit of oil. I use olive oil, and then let them boil for about 7 minutes. And I just kind of give them a quick stir with a fork just to make sure that they're not stuck together. And then drain them. And then once these are done cooking, I'll be back to show you the rest. Alright, so I've got my skillet preheated. It's just on medium heat. I put some olive oil, and then I put a little bit of butter, and then I am going to saute. I'm going to try both chickens, that way I can let them try both of them and see which one they like the best. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this Southwestern chicken in first. My hands are clean. Just going to throw some of this in here. I'm going to do like half of the pack of the Southwestern, and then probably half of the pack of the original. And so I'm just going to let this cook, and then I'll be back. Okay, so my pasta is done. I just drained it and put it back in the pot. Now we're going to go ahead and start adding in the fettuccine. Can you hand me that fettuccine, please? The Alfredo sauce. This is what I always use. Bertolli. I picked this up at Kroger. I'm sure they have it at Walmart, or I've even bought it at Target. Open that up for me, Sarah, please.
Yes, ma'am.
So I turned my eye down to medium. I had it on high when I was boiling it, but I turned it down to medium so that these won't burn. You need some help, Sarah?
I got it. I think it's just wet.
Okay. Okay, let me see, because I don't want this to burn. Okay, I got it. And I just eyeball it and kind of see how much we need.
I can do that for you.
What?
Stir it around.
Oh no, baby, because this pan could come off on you and it would burn you. So we don't want that to happen. Okay, so it looks like we need a little more. You know what? We're just going to put the whole thing. My secret to getting it all out, once you feel like it's all out, just put some water in it. Put a little water in it and shake it up. And that'll get all that other, oh, if I can open it. Okay. So that'll get that all out. I'm going to give this a quick stir. Okay, show them that chicken over there that's cooking. It's almost done. You want to give that a quick stir, Sarah?
Yes, ma'am. Ah, the chicken.
That's it. Just waiting on it to brown. I just cut them up a little bit into bite-sized pieces. Some of them are a little bit big. So that's almost done. That's good. Okay, now over here, this is cooking. I'm going to put a little bit of this garlic powder. Just eyeball it to taste. A little bit of this onion powder.
Are they still on the spoon?
It's fine. Give it a quick stir. Okay, now that's looking good. It's already got salt from when we put salt in the water, so you don't need any more salt unless you're just a salt junkie and you like salt, but I don't. Put some black pepper, give it a stir. And the last thing we need to do is add some butter.
Yummy.
I use Country Crock original butter for everything. Put you a good old couple of spoons of butter, and let that melt in there, and that's going to give you a real good flavor. So we're going to put the lid back on, let that just kind of hang out in there and do its thing. Now what I'm going to do over here is this chicken is about done, so I'm going to just get that excess off, and I'm just going to put this on a plate. Now this is the Southwestern chicken, okay? Now, I'm going to put some of this regular chicken in because I know Caleb is probably only going to eat this regular chicken.
Picky eater.
So we're going to put well, let's try both of them. So I'm going to do about half of this one as well.
Other one tastes better though.
And I don't put any seasoning or anything, but I can see I do need some more oil. I need to wash my hands. Always wash your hands after cooking raw meat, especially chicken. You don't want to get salmonella. Okay, so I'm going to put some butter in there.
Oh.
And just a little bit of olive oil. Okay. Now let this do its thing. And that'll just take a couple of minutes. And in the meantime, we're going to check on this. See it's cooking and doing its thing. Looking good. Okay.
Still see some butter.
So we'll be back in just a minute when this chicken is done and we're getting ready to start the alright, so this is looking great. I tasted the sauce just to make sure that I didn't need to add anything. It tastes perfect. I have some of this Kroger Parmesan finely shredded cheese, and I'm just gonna put me some of this cheese in here. Stir that up. Make it taste extra extra yummy. Oh, this is gonna be good, y'all. Okay. Just a little bit more cheese. Can't go wrong with too much cheese. If you live in the South, cheese on everything, okay? Okay, so we're gonna come back. This chicken over here, almost done. We'll be back in a minute. Alright, so the chicken is done. I've got both of the chickens. I went ahead and took it out and washed the skillet, and I put some butter in there and some olive oil. The pasta is done. I went ahead and turned that off, and it's just waiting for me to plate it up. So now all I've got to do is throw this shrimp in here. Should be enough. And we are just going to let this cook for a little bit, and then I'll be back to show you the finished project. Show you the finish, you know what I'm trying to say. Okay, so the shrimp is still cooking. I've got it sauteing in this butter. I put some black pepper. I put my go-to seasonings that I always use, which is garlic powder and onion powder. And y'all, I just tasted the sauce just to make sure that it tastes good, but it tastes amazing. So the shrimp has shrunk a lot. It is turning pink. So it's not going to be too much longer until it's going to be done. So be back in just a second and we'll be ready to eat. Alright, so the shrimp is done. This is how it looks. I put it on the plate, and over here it has really good seasoning in the pan. If you wanted to, you could put some warm water in that and kind of go over it and deglaze your pan. I can show you. Just kind of deglaze your pan. I got the skillet off. And that'll get up all that good seasoning. And if you wanted to, you could take your pasta and dip it in there, and that would definitely make it more flavorful. Or you could dip your shrimp back in there if you wanted to. But I'm just gonna leave it as is. I was just gonna show you that. All right, so we are ready to plate up the food. So I am going to put the pasta on the plate. So you've got your choice of chicken Alfredo or shrimp Alfredo. And this plate is going to be for my son. And I already know he's going to want chicken. And I already know that, I know that he likes extra salt, extra Parmesan, and then he's gonna want his chicken on the side, not on top. I'm gonna put him a little bit of chicken and a couple of pieces of spicy. Let him try that as well. And then some garlic bread. So that is it. You wanted shrimp, you could put shrimp on it. You could put the shrimp or the chicken, or you could put both of them in and stir it up as well. But I have picky eaters, they like their meat on the side. So anyways, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.